Working together in a pilot project, Ajinomoto Omnichem, a company of the Ajinomoto Group, and Beckhoff have successfully demonstrated how the modular type package concept can be used to automate a system for industrial use. Ajinomoto Omnichem is known in the market as a reliable partner for the production of small molecules with complex chemistry and high potency, as well as for processes based on continuous flow processes.
Our pilot plant forms an essential part in the development process of new products. We do the scaling of chemical processes as studied and optimized in the lab. For the pharma customers, we're producing reagents, intermediates and APIs in a cGMP-compliant way. Within Ajinomoto Omnichem, the innovation program focuses on green chemistry and sustainable techniques, including embracing new technologies such as continuous flow or photoflow chemistry. Therefore, we are continuously optimizing our installations.
So, back in 2015, we've built this modular continuous flow plant, which is consisting of around 30 modules. EtherCAD is providing us the flexibility to connect these modules to a central Beckhoff controller. In our next step, we want to be able to run multiple independent processes at the same time. This requires much more flexibility of the operating and automation system.
The process structure and continuous flow production of Ajinomoto calls for a flexible and modular solution, and that's where the standardized MTP concept comes in. MTP stands for Module Type Package, which allows a complete separation of a production process into dedicated modules. These modules encapsulate specific functionalities of that process. This enables when changes have to be made. This can be done with a minimum of engineering, and as a result, a highly flexible and reusable plant is created.
During a proof of concept, we wanted to demonstrate that we can produce with two equipment trains in parallel. The proposed solution from Beckhoff enables us to use the MTP protocol without installing a controller on each skid. This way, we don't have to adapt our existing modules.
Here at Ajinomoto Omnichem, we were confronted with the situation that we have a pre-existing modular plant setup consisting of several modules controlled by a single PLC unit. The module type package concept usually requires each module to have a dedicated controller to provide the OPC/UA capabilities as well as the PLC logic. With Beckhoff's high-performance PC-based control technology, we were able to aggregate multiple MTP modules on one control unit while still making them available to the process orchestration layer independently. While gaining the advantage that we have real-time EtherCAD communication between the MTP modules, we are still compliant to the MTP standard and therefore can easily add MTP modules later on.
The advantages we saw in our proof of concept that we did with Beckhoff and Copa Data. So on our module, the challenges regarding size and ATEX are really accomplished. We have now a straightforward solution. We were able to recycle our PLC code and stick to our current modular design. The result is a very cost-effective solution.